back to my channel. Today I'm going to basically talk shit and show you how I do my brows. I just want to come out and say that the coronavirus and it's upsetting me, my homegirl, because I feel like if you can't go outside, where the hell can you go? I'm very upset. I'm very highly, tremendously upset because my birthday is in 3 weeks and it was canceled. What am I supposed to do in my living room, Corona? Let me know. Let me know what I'm supposed to do in my living room for my birthday. Continuing on with the stress. You know what? Give me a second. I'm like, we're going to grab this. Asked me in January what was I gonna do for my birthday. I literally was like, nothing. I don't want to celebrate my birthday this year. Whatever. God said, okay, bet. Even after I ended up planning my birthday. I had my guest list. I had everything just ready. And God said, the world said, here come Miss Rona. I can't. And I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna be dramatic. I'm gonna be dramatic because this isn't fair. I feel like, why am I here? Just end the world at this point. Just end it. You know what? Okay, that's fine. Let's get into these brows. So, personally, I feel like I need to drop this video because I've seen a lot of girls, guys, whatever. They have thick brows. I have thick brows. There's nothing on my brows right now. These are my natural eyebrows, right? And I've seen a lot of people overdo, and they have these horrendous eyebrows, and it really gets on my nerves. Like, I have a thing for eyebrows and I'm bothered, I'm triggered. So I'm gonna show y'all, the people with thick brows, how to do your brows and how to make it look good and natural and not overdo it. So let's start with my brow pencil. I use the Beverly Hills, well, what is it? Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color Ebony because my hair is like a dark brown. So with that being said, basically what you want to do is you want to brush your brows. You want to brush out your brows, honey, and shape them how you want to be, because honestly I have long brows, so basically I brush them up and brush them down because they're long. Next, you're gonna get the crayon side. Listen closely. You're not going to do nothing to the front of your brows, or as much to the front of your brows, simply because you already have brows. You have nothing to fill in. It's there already. It's there. You don't need to. You don't need to do nothing up here. If you want to like extend the line, what I usually do is, I'm gonna show y'all. I extend the line a little bit to make it look more crisp, but you don't need to add any strokes because you have them. You don't need to draw them unless you have what is it called, a gap or like a bald spot. Fine, fill it in. But if you have hair, especially up here, don't touch it. All right. So what we're gonna start from the tail. Okay, and you're going to fill in your tail, and you're gonna do light strokes. Look, the difference already. Light strokes, and you do light strokes until you are satisfied. If you want to extend your tail, by all means, go ahead. If you have some bald spots, by all means, go ahead. But when I tell you, do not touch the front of your brow. Do not touch the front of your, s'il vous plaît. Do not touch the front of your brow. Okay? Okay. So, and it doesn't have to be neat because you're gonna clean it up. You just want to get what's, you know, anything that's not there. That's it. And you're gonna go and you do it to the other side of your brow. Now your brows are not twins, just like your titties. They're not twins, they're sisters. So they're not gonna look exactly like. I was talking about earlier how I extend my brows. Basically, I go and I draw a line very faint I draw a line to extend it, but that's only because it gives it a more natural like blend. Okay, so when you do that, you want to blend it a little bit. Bow, that's it. And you do it to the brow. Now what you're going to do is you're going to get any concealer you use, doesn't matter, it's up to you. I use LA Girl Pro concealer.
You stupid.
You're not. The LA Girl, a concealer brush. That's what you are going to pull out. This one is from Elf Cosmetics, and it's a concealer brush. It is flat at the top. That is the, hear me out. You're going to get your concealer. Usually people put it on their hand and then they dip. I don't do that, that's too much work. I squeeze and I dip. Bow. And now you are going to outline your brows. You want to start from the middle and do strokes. Do not do hua. Do strokes because you will have better control of where the concealer goes. Look at that. A beaut. A beaut. And then you do to the other side the same thing. You start from the middle and stroke. Now usually if you're not about to do a eye look like eyeshadow or something, usually just leave it where the brow is and call it a day. But usually I do shit to my eyelid, so you just blend it down and blend it out. Down and out. That is it, honey. And make sure you blend. You don't want a halo. That's not cute. Blend, sis. Get as close as you can to your brow and blend. Blend. That is the key word of the day. Blend. What are we doing? Blend. Down and out. Down and out. That's how I feel. Down and out. More like down and in because I can't go nowhere. Okay, so now usually what I do to blend this out, I just take my finger and brush up. That's it. That's basically how I do my brows. They still look natural, they still look clean. I do sometimes do my top in the same color simply because when I end up adding foundation, it blends out. So that's what I'm just gonna do. I'm just gonna outline as close as I can. Again, stroke. And then again, you go ahead and you blend it out with a blending brush. And with blending, I feel like you shouldn't rush it simply because a lot of times people who rush it, they end up leaving a halo, and sis, it's not cute. So I say take your time blending, make sure it's to your liking. But last but not least, when I do my brows, because my hairs are so thick, they move and it makes my brows look ugly. So I take my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel, and I don't put a lot because I don't want my brows to look flaky or look fake or whatever. So what I do is I brush my brows. I brush it upward and then to the side. Upwards, downwards, upwards to the side, upwards to the side, upwards to the side. And that is how I do my brows. I also want to show you guys my lashes, because this is my lash book. I ordered this off of Amazon. When I first got it, it smelled so bad, but it doesn't smell bad anymore. But these are my lashes. These are lashes that I use. These are like, I think it's 16 pairs. These are my lashes. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I have 7 pairs that I'm selling on my website. If you want to check it out, I'll leave the link in the description if I end up launching the site this month. If not, I'll leave my Instagram, my business line Instagram down below, and my personal and all that. But this one is lavender. You guys are getting a sneak peek because my Instagram has not seen my lashes yet. But this one is lavender. I don't know if you can see it. That's lavender. This one is Farrah. These two. This Farrah. This one is Princess. This one is Taurus. This one is Empress. That one is Dream. I also have Miami. Which one is it? Miami Beauty. Hold on. I forgot the names of my lashes. Oh my. Okay, so it's Dream. Hold on, y'all. I feel so embarrassed. It's Dream, Lavender, Farrah, Taurus, 11. That's what it is. 11, Miami, Beauty, and Empress. Basically, these are my personal lashes. And these are my brand lashes right here, and up here are the ones that I use all the time. But I've tested lavender. I'll insert a clip of lavender on me. And I think today I'm gonna test Taurus on behalf of my canceled birthday. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. If you want this look, there is a video on my Instagram.